Speaker sir, Mukhyamantri, attention of the House is drawn as regards the concern of the government employees who have been working for years in government service with regards to regularization of their service. आता एक नवो development सांगता, which the House may not be aware. Speaker sir, हो एक important issue हा. 20 डिसेंबराक सुप्रीम कोर्टान एक हें दिल्या की उमा देवी judgment can't be used to justify exploitative engagements. Supreme Court allows regularization of long-serving daily wagers. Speaker sir, गोंयांत अशें आहा की हेड ऑफिसानूच 1480 कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट स्टाफ आहा. उरिल्ल्या डिपार्टमेंटांनी पळोवंक गेले जाल्यार हजारांनी टेन्स ऑफ थाउजंड्स आसतले. बट एज पर दीस जजमेंट which is passed on 20th of December 2024, Jago versus Union of India म्हणून तुवें तांकां कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट तांकां परमनंट करचें पडटा. This is a Supreme Court judgment. So please understand the implications and give me an assurance what will be the fate of the contract workers in Goa.
Yes. Sir, we'll verify. Yeah.